Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Engineering Chronicles of Plant Design. So we are seeing on Chronicle number 3, Basics of AutoCAD 2D, and this is part 6 of that video. So in part 6, we are going to see the first command is, if you see here, chamfer. So in the next to chamfer, there's a drag down arrow. If you click on drag down arrow, you can see fillet and chamfer. So we are going to see fillet and chamfer. So first, let us see what is fillet. So for example, if I select fillet, so if you have a square and you want to have a round edge and with radius of 550 mm or 25 mm. So first you need to specify the radius. Before selecting object, if you select the fillet, it will open undo polyline radius trim multiple. So first you click on radius or you can give R enter. So radius, let me specify radius as 50 mm, enter. Then if I select first object, first line, second line, so now it has become radius of 50 mm. If you want to check, you can go. We also see the commands of dimensions because we have not seen so far in the video, but in this video we'll also see dimension commands. So in dimension command, you see we have linear, we have align, we have angular, arc length, radius, diameter, okay, coordinate and jog. So we will see first what is radius. So if you click on this radius and you want to see radius of this curve, you can click, if you see, R50. And same, even that you want to see diameter of the circle, click on this, go diameter, click, and you will find diameter. Okay. So we are into fillet. So since in the fillet, if you see, we have selected radius and we said first point, it has gone. So we'll again go to fillet, enter F, enter, command enter, radius will keep it same, enter 50 mm. Now here you will select, we have two options, polyline and multiple. So if I click on multiple now, so I can keep on doing trim 50 50. It will not go, the command will not go, it will keep on coming on multiple options. Okay, it will come on multiple options. So we will see what is next, that is polyline command on fillet. If you select polyline, okay, select radius, give radius of 50 mm, enter, and select polyline. Polyline means this is polyline only. Na? If I select this polyline, na, so complete edges of this polyline will become 50 mm fillet. Okay, that is polyline fillet. So we have one more command similar to fillet, that is chamfer. So we'll see chamfer now. If we go to drag down of this and you can see chamfer over here, or you can type CHA chamfer, enter, select the object. So first what we have to do, there's two options which we need to do first, distance or angle. Let me select angle first. So if I select angle, so what it says, so if it specify chamber length on the first line, let me give 50 mm, 50 mm, enter. Specify chamber angle from first line, I'll give 30 mm, enter. Now if I select the this line and this line, so what it has taken, I'll show you. I'll just extend this line. So now I'll go to this dimension. We set this linear dimension, linear. See, this is the first line. This dimension we have given how much? This dimension we have given how much? 50 mm, correct? We have given 50 mm. And what angle we have given? If you go here, you can select angular, select this and this, it will become 30 degree. So that is what chamfer works. But now we'll see one more option of chamfer, okay, without giving angle, but we will give dimension. So we'll give CHA command, enter, and we'll say distance command now. So specify first chamber distance, I'll give 40 mm, enter. Specify second chamber distance, I'll give 50 mm, enter. Now if I select polyline, so what will happen? Again same, it will go to all this complete rectangle. Okay, so if you see, we have selected two distance, right? First distance was 40 mm, second distance was 50 mm. So now we have, this is how you do chamfer. So moving on to next, that is in the dimension command, if you see, there is one more called align. In linear, if you select, even if you click here and click here, it will come linear only. It will come linear only. But in the align, if you want to check this distance of the chamfer now, you have to select align, go here, select align, first point, second point, it will come 64.03. So that is how you use align distance. Okay. So one more option of checking align is click align. No need to check. No need to click on first second point. Just press enter and select the object. So it automatically becomes 64.03. It will take automatically. It will take the align distance. Okay. Same with the linear. Check linear instead of selecting first point, second point. Just click enter. Select the line. It will take the distance. Okay. So here angular we have seen. So what is arc length? Arc length, see for example we have arc here, right? And we want to measure distance of this arc. Just select this arc. It will give you 817.93 mm. That is how you measure the arc length. And we have seen it radius, we have seen diameter also. So moving on to next, that is text. So here we have seen in the earlier part of the video, we have seen erase, we have seen explode, we have not seen. So we'll see explode. We have seen offset command also, we have seen. What is offset command? We have seen. Okay, so we'll see explode. So here if you see, since we have removed the associative command, na, so it is coming one on one. But here, okay, again we will do that again. Okay, so this is block. So this is block now. Okay, if I select one, everyone is selecting. But I want to explode now. I want to remove this from block. So, but earlier if I have to give associative, right? But it is not coming in over here now. So what I will do, I will just select the explode command and select over here, enter. It will be exploded. Otherwise, the command for explode is X. Explode is X and give enter. Select the object, enter, it will explode. See, it will become different object. Okay. This is how you do. This is how you explode the block. So now we will see text command. So multi-line and we have single line. So first we'll see single line. So single line, if you click, if we say start point. Okay. So I am just clicking the start point. So specify height. Height means what height you want. You can either select on the drawing itself. See, you have dimension coming next to ortho. Okay, you can select the option and you can click 104, 105, or you can give 100 mm, enter, and then specify rotation angle. So I need, if you want straight 90 degree, you can straight 90 degree here. If you want upside 90 degree, you can click here, it will be mirror inward. You can click here, or you can give 30 degree angle, enter. Okay, just type anything which you want, it will come in 30 degree angle. That is what the single test. But in case of multi-line, it is separate. Just multi-line, specify first corner, second corner, and you keep on typing. Enter. In single line, typing is not possible. In single line, you cannot click on typing. So here, if you want to change the dimension, just go here, give height as 50 mm, enter. It will become 50 mm height. Okay, this dimension, this you can justify. Or if you want to have, see here, if you see the editing, you can click on left, right, align, text, center align test, left align test. All options are here. We can add bulletins. Okay, we can add number in this, but single line we cannot do this much option. But here we can do much option. And here if you give space, you can add symbol also. For example, you can add degree, you can add diameter, you can add plus, almost, plus, equal, angle. Lot of things you can add. So this is what about the multiple test dialog. So leader, what is leader? So leader is, if you want to show something, I annotate that this at this point you want to cut. So how you will show in the drawing? So for that you need to you can use leader. Just select this point. Okay, since we're an ortho, we'll remove ortho. Okay, we'll give angle and then again ortho, and then I'll do again, sorry. So I'll select leader command, or I can give LE also, LE, enter. From this point I want to show something. Okay, I'll just click one point over here and I'll take ortho and I'll take this point. So now what it says, specify test width. So I can give test width to 300 mm. Yes, then enter first line of annotation test. Okay, so what you want to enter? For example, I want to enter as a cut at this point. Enter. Okay, enter next line. And next line, I'll give typical PYP. Okay, and I'll again click enter. Okay, if you want to add one more line, it will keep on coming. Just enter. So you see, if you see, but at this point, first line, second point is typical. If you change the dimension, so now I'll tell you how to change dimension. Just select this. Okay, ch. What is ch? Ch is the properties. For properties, the command is ch, and you give enter. So here you see dialog will open. Dialog will open. Test height we have given 2.5. I want to change it to 45 degree, 45 height. So here I had 45 height dialog. I can increase this width also from here. This is 45. Okay. This is how you use leader command. So now if you see this leader have very small arrow now. So here again you select ch, enter, go to leader. Okay, just go up. Arrow size 2.5. You give 50 mm, enter. So we have changed the arrow size also. So if you want to change default arrow size of the arrow of the dimension, if you if or even if you say dimension, we have very small letters, right? I want to increase the height of this wording default by default. So what the option for do that for doing that is DDIM, DDIM, and you click enter. So the dialog will open which says on the left side annotative ISO 25 standard. So currently we are working on ISO 25. So just go to modify. Just go to modify, go to lines. You can select the number of this. This lines you can select. Okay, there are n number of options. You can try on your own how it works. Symbol and arrow size. I'll 40 arrow size. Okay, you can change the arrow type also. You can change the arrow type also. You can go to test and change it to 40 height arrow test. Okay, above ISO standard you can change to give it to horizontal. It will show here. So it is showing here. You can give it to align with the dimension. You can give it to ISO standard. The ISO standard automatically will come like this. And if you give in the precision, if you give, you go. We have given two number of units, but you can give single. So see, if I give single now, automatically the point will go. If I give four, the 4 point will come. If I give single, it's single point will come, and I click OK and set current. Don't forget to click on set current and then close. So see, automatically height has changed, this has changed. Okay, so everything now whenever you will set dimension now, so dimension will come automatically with the default which we have set. That is about DDIM. So I have not made the proper drawings in this video, because when we are making the drawings, you need to actually understand what are AutoCAD's command all about. So we will do that in the upcoming sessions, and stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.